Hi, welcome to Ashley Hawkins Creates. Today I'm going to show you how to easily feed a crowd for 20 people for less than $50. So you want to start with a pork roast from Sam's. You want to cook it in your beef broth until tender. I always like to add the seasoning afterwards because it gives it great extra flavor. So here I'm adding taco seasoning, chili verde sauce, and enchilada sauce. I'm going to mix it together and it's so delicious and easy, nice and juicy. This is for a football party. So I created a football shape out of tinfoil. Very easy to do. You just take two pieces of tinfoil, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again, and then create your shape. You can do any shape that you'd like to. Then I'm going to fill it up with meat, and then I will begin to add all of the sides. So I am going to put cheese on the side. I'm going to do some cilantro. I mix a little bit of ranch and sour cream together. And then I'm putting some extra enchilada sauce on the side. And this is just a really great way to feed a crowd for less than $50. It can easily feed 20 people. I will post a recipe below. Thank you.